My Mira event excess shower is only delivering cold water. There is an intermittent problem because sometimes it works fine. How can I fix this? The shower is not very old and has not had a huge amount of use.
Hi, my name is. See if I can assist you. There are a few things you can check. Check that both isolation valves are fully open to the unit. Check that the water supply pipes are fitted to correct installation. If both are okay, you may need to re-purge the unit.
Hi Neil. Thanks for your answer. All the connections are fine. This fault of not delivering hot water only started in the last month and it is an intermittent fault. How do I purge the system?
It could also be a blockage in the hot water supply, sometimes caused by lagging from the tank. With the power supply off and the shower head removed, lower the shower hose into the bath/shower tray. To purge the system, you need to turn the flow control knob anti-clockwise fully to start the shower. Check that water flows freely from the shower within a few seconds. Turn the flow control knob fully anti-clockwise to select the maximum flow. Turn the temperature knob anti-clockwise to check the hot supply and clockwise to check the cold supply. Turn the flow control knob clockwise to the stop position to switch off the shower and stop the flow of water.
Thanks, I will try that and see what happens. Watching the footy at the moment.
I will post a link to the manual if you do not have one. http://www.mira-catalog/pdf/1107576_w2_b_mira_x_manual.pdf.
Thanks, that will help a lot.
Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. http://www.mira-catalog/pdf/1107576_w2_b_mira_x_manual.pdf.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.